Yes, dears, get ready. What is the I'm not able to see only one position I'm not able to fix. It's very sad. Now we're looking very, very bad. Right. Right. Now, how do we find out the angle between the two lines now? Okay, first. Some disturbance happened. Okay. I think this is okay. Friends, we are doing straight lines and we almost completed the concepts required for the first exercise. And first exercise, whatever concept, only one concept is remaining, that's called angle between the two lines. This is one line, this is L1 and this is L2. Yes, the coordinate system, I said diagram, the coordinate system, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. Yes, this is the line 1. Oh, raised to 1. Okay. So this is called line 1, line 2, second one, not second line. Friends, here yesterday we were discussing about if you want to talk about the slope of a line, you have to measure the inclination from the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. Yes. So from the x-axis, measure the angle in the anti-clockwise. From the x-axis, measure. Call it as θ1 and θ2. Friends, so that's L2 on the θ2, L1 on the θ1. Inclination is θ1 and θ2. Yes. Can you please tell me what is the slope of this line, Matesh? Slope of this line, please. Yes, Matesh, tell me please. What is the slope of the L2 mark?
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x2.
இல்ல ராஜா எங்க இருக்குமா ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் எங்க இருக்குமா ப்ளீஸ் கவி
Sir, tan θ2.
Brilliant answer. That's a brilliant answer. Matesh, tan θ2 is the angle given here. Therefore, tan θ2 is the slope of the second line. Do you agree, ma?
Yes, sir.
What is the slope? L1, ma. What is slope of L1, dear? So now,
Tan theta.
tan θ1, M1 equal to tan θ1, yes. Brilliant part. Friends, if this is θ1, this is θ2, can you please tell me my angle between the two, right? I have to find out. Let me call this as theta. Let me call this as theta, or this you call it as theta. This is theta and so maybe. These are two lines, okay? Angle between two lines, theta, right? Array, watch here, watch here. Theta is the angle between the two given lines. Angle between two given lines. Let us assume that let theta be the angle between the two given lines. We don't know. Pair solve all the angle pair solve theta. Friends, these two are internal angles. This is the exterior angle mark. Can I write theta 2 equal to theta plus theta 1 ds? What property ma?
Exterior angle property.
What property by the one? This one?
It's exterior angle of a triangle, sir.
Exterior angle property, yes. Exterior angle of a triangle. Wow. Brilliant. Theta 2 equals to theta plus theta 1 ma. But our interest is what, dear? Theta is what? So shall I write now theta is equals to theta 2 minus theta 1 ds?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But friends, the theta is unknown, has to be expressed in the knowns. Theta 2 and theta 1. Let us say theta 1, they have given tan theta 2 and tan theta 1. Okay, now theta 2. Okay, fine. Friends, here, can I now please just watch here, mark, come here, theta equals to theta 2 minus theta 1. I am writing here, yes, paranga. Apply tan on both the sides. Apply tan on both the sides. Why? Tan theta 2, tan theta 1. Tan of theta 2 minus theta 1. Yes. Is trigonometry is done in the school for all? No. What is the formula for tan A minus B? Tan A minus B. Kavi?
Sir, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B.
Tan of A minus B is equals to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Neenga paranga ipa trigonometry and how useful it is. Okay, friends, here, so same story, you go with it, A and B, A and B, this is called A, this is called B. Tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 by 1 plus, all of you observe it here, Mr. Sudarshan. Tan theta 1 into tan theta 2, that is called tan theta ds. Paranga, please. Friends, which further implies tan theta equals to, what is tan theta 2 ds? Minus, what is tan theta 1? Whole divided by 1 plus m1 m2. If we say that tan theta has to be positive, that means if it is theta is acute, then we should write modulus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Modulus 4, that's it. Are you able to see clearly, dears? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Top lo theriyada, I think now. Okay, come on, take it. Right, I think you could see now. See this ma, how simple derivation it is ma, please. This line L1 is making theta 1 angle, L2 is making theta 2 angle. Angle between the two lines is theta, let us call it acute angle. By exterior angle property, theta 2 equal to theta plus theta 1. Theta equals to theta 2 minus theta 1. Aha. Then go for apply tan on both the sides. Why? Because slope is tan theta 2, slope is tan theta 1. Apply tan on both the sides and tan of A minus B formula in trigonometry. Tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 by 1 plus theta. That's how put tan theta 2 is M2, M1. Okay, that's it. So if you want acute angle, put a modulus because if theta is acute angle, tan theta is positive ds. Once you know the acute angle ds, see you got 30 degree mark. What could you say about this angle mark? This is 30 degree. You could easily find out this angle or not. Yes or no, yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's all. Such a simple one, yes. Such a simple one, yes. Such a smart derivation for you. How simple derivation. Only thing is you should know this formula, yes. Note panikonga. Please write down the derivation. Have you taken part? Sai, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Derivations are so important, ma, please. We like it or not, we should start loving the derivations, ma, please. The day you start thinking about the derivations, that's more than enough, yes. Enough. We need not do it. We cannot do all the derivations, ma. There are certain things which we are still getting maturity of it. But if you can do the derivations comfortably, that is a symptom of you have enough maturity of mathematics. Right. Jeevit sir has come. Welcome him. Jeevit. Right, ma. Please. Go. Next one is the exercise. Ma, directly will go for exercise and also, yes, I keep telling you, please. If you really want to do some mark down. Anna, I'll call you later. Now I'm in the class now. .1, dears. Look at 10.1. All of you have textbook, I believe. Please keep it with you, dears. And let us take 10.1, dears. If you look at 10.1 exercise, I hope all of you having a book and see that questions are, total number of questions are 14, dears. 14, okay? 14. So we'll keep it for today and tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow we'll wind up 10.1. And if possible, if you can early finish, then we can start with concepts of second exercise also. So this is first question is Dabba question, ma, please. Parina, what is the first question, ma, please? First question is draw a quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane. Okay, Cartesian plane no draw panna. Very nice one. Okay, so this is a real graph you are supposed to do that they are insisting. It's a good actually. Question number 1, you are drawing a quadrilateral, ma, quadrilateral. Okay. In the coordinate system you are doing now. The coordinate system like this. This is the coordinate system. Draw a quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane whose vertices are -4 and 5 mark. -4 and 5 mark. This is called -4 and 5. 0, 7. 0,7 beautiful ah inga irukku 0,7, and call them as A, B and all like that. See, pi comma minus 5 mark, pi comma minus 5, pi comma minus 5. And lastly, minus 4 comma 2, minus 4 comma 2 and in your part. Hey, minus 4 comma 2 in your right? Minus 4 comma 5 is there, ma? Okay? Minus 4 comma 2 ds. Okay? So AB, C in the D in
Sir, it's
the
minus 4, comma minus 2, sir.
minus 4, right. Sorry, sorry. Yeah. Minus 4 comma minus 2 ds. So minus 4 comma minus 2 kira very well. Minus 4 comma minus 2 ds. Yes, excellent, ma. D. Thank you, Mahesh. Very nice. Right. Wonderful part. Come on, Pa. How do you find out area of this quadrilateral? Anybody, please give me idea. I don't know really how to do this part. Please come on. Yes. I really don't know how to do this part, please.
Join AC, sir.
That's it. Okay. You are using the area of a triangle DL. This fellow is confusing unnecessarily. Okay, drawing this figure in the Cartesian plane. This is unnecessary, ma, please. Okay. Okay. Anyway, let it be like this. No problem. And yeah. So you draw a one diagonal and see that you get two triangles. AC, you join it, ma. You get triangles. One is ADCDS. Triangle ADC. Order lo pona, okay. Next one is what, ma? CBA. See, ADC anna A enga irukappa minus 4 comma 5. D minus 4 comma minus 2 and 5 comma minus 5. இது வந்து so CBA 5 comma minus 5, 0 comma 7 and minus 4 comma 5. Happily you do it. Area of a triangle by whichever formula you like it. Actually, area of a quadrilateral also you can derive it. You can derive the formula for area, but venda unnecessary formula வந்து எல்லாமே வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு மைண்ட்ல பிளேஸ் இல்ல. Therefore, use that triangle property. Area of a triangle ADC is half modulus. You take it as x1 y1, x2 y2 ds. X3, Y3. Sudarshan, you know this side 10 stands up only, right? X1 minus 4 into Y2 minus Y3 minus 2 minus of minus 5 is plus 5 plus X2 minus 4 1, 2, 3 ma 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 ma minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 years. Minus 10, okay, minus over. Next one, x3 pa, x3. What is x3? 5 into 3 pona 1 and 2 ma. 1 and 2 na 1 minus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. Half into minus 4 into plus 3 ma. Minus 4 into plus 3 is minus 12 years. This is plus 40 ma. Ningal pananga, please let us verify it. Plus 35. So you get 40, 75, 75 or 12 pona 63 ma. 63 by 2 ds. So the area of the first triangle is 63 by 2. This is number 1 ds. Number 2, area of a triangle CBA half into x1. Sudarshan, are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
0 இது வேண்டாம் தேவையில்லை. minus 4 into x3 into y1 minus y2 minus 12 minus. That's equal to half into modulus 10. இது வந்து 48, 58 by 2 ma. I hope plus, yeah. இது 10 ma, இது 48, 58 by 2. So 29 ma. 63 by 2 and என்ன வருப்பா 31.5 ma. 31, 29 எவ்வளப்பா 60.5 ma. Therefore, area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of a triangle 1 plus area of a triangle 2 ds. That is called 31.5 plus 29 is nothing but 60.5 square units ma, please. Okay, that's all. Yes. Am I clear ma, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Just you check the answer my tapu, because this it's a numerical, okay, heavy numerical. Don't know, we could have done some mistake also in the past. So this and all you should do it at home. Unnecessary நம்ம ஆன்லைன்ல வந்து டைம் வேஸ்ட் ஆயிடும் please. Absolutely right, yes. Absolutely right, ma. 121 by 2 pa. 121 by 2, that is called 2, 6 or 12, 0, 60.5. Fantastic answer, fantastic answer. See, ADC, CBA, write the coordinates, whatever the order you take, must see this order, okay, ADC. Similarly, you take CBA. அதே ஆர்டர்ல வந்து coordinates நீங்க எடுக்கணும் please, okay? You should take in the same order. Clear part? You can do it my area of a triangle formula only. You can use it. Leisurely you can do it, ma. Please let us not waste online time for this what to say simple sum, okay? Right. Question number 2. Parna, what the question is, please let us look at and read out. The base of an equilateral triangle with side 2A lies along the y-axis such that the midpoint of the base is at the origin. Wow. It's a very, very interesting one. Find vertices of the triangle. Very, very interesting questions. These are all not. This first one, of course, triangle, area of a triangle, direct formula. Friends, question number 2 here. The base of an equilateral triangle. The base, oh my God, the base of an equilateral triangle. Yeah, the base of an equilateral triangle. Krishna, right. The base of an equilateral triangle with side 2A. With side 2A. Lies along the y-axis such that the midpoint of the base is origin. The midpoint of the base of the triangle is origin. Find the vertices of triangle. Find the vertices of a triangle now. Triangle now. This one. What description he has made? Let us see the base of an equilateral triangle with side 2A lies along the y-axis here. See, this is the x-axis and y-axis coordinate system. The base of each side 2A lies along the y-axis such that the midpoint of the base is horizon. Friends, here the side is 2A, 2A. Midpoint is what here? Horizon, ma, please. Come on, tell me. All of you, please. Are you able to see, ma? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Guys, please. He said that the base of an equilateral triangle with side 2A lies along y-axis. And now y-axis, but midpoint of the base is the horizon. Do you agree, dears? Let us call base is AB, dears. AB. Now, guys, please look at my vertex C would be either on positive x-axis or on the negative x-axis. I can draw C here or I can draw C dash here, correct? So I can say this is my triangle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or this is my triangle. I have for my C coordinate, my third coordinate here, third coordinate. Tell me please, two vertices are over, dears. Two vertices are already over. Can you tell me please, what is A, my dears? What is A, ma? This length is 2A. Can anybody tell what is A coordinate, ma? A vertices of A or what, dear? Vertex A, what are the coordinates of vertex A, dears? Google.
0, A, sir.
0, A. Brilliant. What about B, dear?
0, minus A.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant, sir. That's a great. That's great. And two vertices are done here over. Just little understanding of English. Are you clear? Ram? Sudarshan?
Sir.
Please understand this, dear. So one side of an equilateral triangle is on the y-axis such that the midpoint of that base is a horizon. It's a midpoint, ma. 2A is length A, ma. This is A data. But the downside, so it is 0, minus A. Upside, it is 0, A, ds. That's all, yes. I hope it is clear. But how do I know that, friends, here? Equilateral triangle, ma. Please understand one beautiful story of equilateral triangle, yes. Friends, if the horizon is the midpoint of the base, friends, horizon is the midpoint of the base. I give you beautiful understanding for this. Friends, this is my equilateral triangle, ma. Call this as a base, ma. This base in vechkonga. Or let me call AB itself is the base so that you can correlate with it. Friend, this is my midpoint, ma. If I draw a CB, join CM, ma, join CM, what is that CM is called, yes?
Median, sir.
Yes, it's not only median, ma, it's everything, yes, median. In the equilateral triangle, all are same, dear. Median, median, altitude, right down, ma, altitude, angle bisector, and perpendicular bisector, all of them are same. At the same time, all centers coincide, ma. all centers coincide with equilateral triangle. Yes, note pannikoma the point. All centers coincides in equilateral triangle. Tantaniya, you don't have a centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, and incenter. In the center circle. All the centers will be spread in other triangles. Whereas in the equilateral triangle, the beauty of the symmetry of this equilateral triangle so arranged such that all the centers are coincided at only one point. There is no separate centroid, incenter, circumcenter, and orthocenter. All the centers are coincided. Yes, whatever point one. And similarly, this is called median, and this is also perpendicular bisector. 90 degrees, so altitude. Its angle bisector 60 degree, and this is called 30 and 30. Why 90? And come on, kya baat hai? Listen, please understand. You are all able to follow this? It's a median. It's a median. This is equally divided, equally divided. That's why it's a median. Okay, friends, you tell me now. Why am I telling C must be on x-axis, please? Why? Because that CM and brother, it should be perpendicular. My x and y axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, they are perpendicular. Correct? Therefore, the vertex C must be on x-axis, my dears. Yes or no? And this is also C dash, of course, this is also on the. Okay. Now you please tell me. How do you tell this vertex, please? Come on. This is A. What about this length, In the length, develop is
2A, sir.
2A, because side of equilateral triangle is 2A, yes. Can you tell me what is this angle, This is the A, B, C, the equilateral triangle, This angle is 60 degree. This is 30 degree, yes. Angle bisector at time, okay? Can you tell me now? See, if I want to know this length, right? This length is nothing but what? To speak about theta ds, cos 30 ds. Cos 30 or cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but what, in the OC by, this is called OC by what? 2A. What is cos 30 ds? Root 3 by 2. So what is OC, 2 cut A root 3 ds. So this is called A root 3, In the length A root 3, what are the coordinates of C ds?
A root 3, 0, sir.
Wow. A root 3, 0. What about C dash coordinates, What about C dash?
Minus A root 3, 0.
Brilliant, That's it, please. This is the story of this problem. Yes. Paranga, using the coordinate system, beautiful coordinate system, if we can do it, it's amazing. Even the previous question also, we could have killed it. I don't know, but I was clueless. But we have to try by that way. We can do by coordinate system used by the Paranga. We are not using except here. 30, 60, 90. What is the story, dears? 30, 60, 90. 1 is to root 3 is to 2, sides and angles. Okay, did I tell you this in trigonometry last year? 90 opposite is 2A, dears. This is called 2A. 30 opposite is A, This is A, paranga. So this is called 1 is A and root 3 is root 3A. That's it, dears. A root 3. In the length on the A root 3, So A root 3, 0, dears. and minus a root 3 comma 0 is C dash ma. So the other two vertices are placed. So find the vertices of a equilateral triangle. You can think please I will write down. Please take it, ma. I will write after rubbing this. Have you taken this part?
Yes, sir.
Please, if you have taken this and rub this, and finally I conclude yes, we have to find out the coordinates of A, B, C. And again we have to find out A, B, C dash ma. Why? Because C could be on this side or this side. In either case, I will come to the another story of equilateral triangle. Yes, okay. For A is what? Yes, 0 comma A. B is what? 0 comma minus A. C is what? A root 3 comma 0. Again 0 comma A. Minus A. That's all, yes. That's all. These are the coordinates of. Sir, okay, sir, okay. Is there any other method to do it? Yes, we can try. We can try by other method also. Please, but this is a cute method, yes. Why you should leave this? Did you follow, yes?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. This is the final answer. This is a very, very powerful tool, my dear. Aggressive use for life. I told one more also. What is that? Can you tell Kavi? Sides are the ratio 1:1:√2. One more also I told. Angles are the ratio 30:30:120. It's not right angle triangle. Sides will be in the ratio 1:1:√3. This is called obtuse angle triangle, isosceles obtuse angle triangle. 1:1:√3. What a question. Three things for note control. These three. Beautifully, you can use it for JE and all. You can play once you know this kind of tools, please. JE, next this one SAT, or GRE and GMAT. All exams are very useful, man. Have you seen that Jeevit school has got 99.95 percentile, my dear? 99.95 or 98? What is that exactly? In our school also we got it, please. Our set classes, Sabation, one guy is there, Sabation. That guy has got 99.90, sir, not 99, 98 point something. 98 odd, he has got. And in that school, they got around 26 or 25, I think. I didn't count. I have seen that yesterday. Chairman has put day before yesterday, I think. He has put full list of the students and the photos, everything. Yes. Okay, dear, sir, a bit more over. Did you take these three parts? Did you take these three? In the three things, very, very powerfully, you can use it, please. I'll give some situations for you so that how you can use this without using the trigonometry, please. The trigonometry on the short form is trigonometry or short form. Okay, please come on. Let me check how you people can say the answer here now, please. 30 and 60 years. And I am giving only one side, only one side here. This is a 10, this is 10. Can you tell other two sides, Kavi, please? I'll just write A, B, C, A, B, C. Can you tell what is AC, please, Kavi? Google.
5.
Anybody? Why? Brilliant answer. 30 opposite is half of 90 opposite to A and A. 10 and 5. What about this one?
5 root 3, sir.
How's 1 is 5 and root 3 and multiply with root 3. That's all. 5 root 3 years. This is 10 mark. 1 is 5 and 2 is 10. Right? Come on. What a brilliant story, please. Come on. Next one, please. Next one. A, B, C. 45 degree, 45 degree, yes. This one is root 2, What about these two sides, please? Come on. Yeah?
1 and 1, sir.
1 and 1, sir.
Sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. 1 and 1, Pythagorean theorem, root 2. What a brilliant one. Suppose I change it here, okay? I'll change it here. This is 10 years. What about these two, anybody? Hey, come on. This is root 2 and 10 is it? Well, what do you get? How do you get 1 more? Divide with root 2, dear. Sorry, come on. 5 root 2, divide with root 2, Howda. Purida, pa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divide with root 2, the hypotenuse root 2 corresponds to 10 years, 1 corresponds to what? Less only. Less means what? Divide. Alright, come on. One more question, please, in the model, so that you will get the. Forty-five, yes. This is called 5. What about this, please?
5 root 2, sir.
5 root 2, sir.
That's all. 5 root 2. I think if you want hypotenuse, multiply with root 2. If you want side, divide with root 2. Hypotenuse is given, divide with root 2. Yes, you should understand what is given and what is to be found. 10 is given here, 10 is given. So divide with root 2, you get 5 root 2. Trigonometry use pannunga. Sin 45 is AC by 10. So 1 by root 2 is a nonsense. How much time waste? AC is 10 by root 2. So if you want smaller, you should divide it. If you want bigger, you should multiply. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Mahesh, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
This is called 120 degree. This is obtuse angle triangle, yes. A, B, C, please. These two are equal, yes, and these angles are 30 and 30, This is called 120 degree. Friends, this is called 10 root 3, please. What will be these two things, please? Come on.
10, sir.
Good answer. 10 and 10, divide with root 3, yes. Root 3 corresponds to 10 root 3, 1 corresponds to 1 and a small, divide with root 3, you get 10 and 10 years. What a brilliant answer, my dears. So these techniques are very, very useful for us while handling the you can these are all, triggers, and this will give you a lot of energy and a lot of time save, and everything. Each one adds up to your success. Each small one adds up to your success. Yes. Such a beautiful ones for three things. All three are here on the board. Kindly take it and use it. Okay, use it. இல்ல சார் நான் எனக்கு அதெல்லாம் தெரியாது இது வேற மெத்தட்ல பண்ணலாம் அது பண்ணலாம் ஓகே பட் திஸ் இஸ் கம்ஃபர்டபிள் மெத்தட் ப்ளீஸ் ஃபாலோ திஸ் Are you able to connect the story and completing the solution clearly in the notebook? Or are you finding as usual Reddy sir you don't find any solution on the board? Is it so? No. All of you able to write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one, dear. Third one. Third one. Find the distance between. Third one. Find the distance between P of x1 y1. Find the distance between P and Q. P is x1 y1, Q is x2 y2, PQ is parallel to the y-axis. PQ is parallel to the y-axis. Second case, find PQ where PQ is parallel to the x-axis. How does it matter? Okay, we don't. Yeah. Friends, PQ is parallel to the y-axis. And P and Q will be like this one. Yes or no?
Yes.
X1, Y1, X2, Y2. When it is parallel to the x-axis, friends, here, what is constant here, ma? This width is constant, but that means the x coordinate should be same ds here. If this is x1, what should be this one? Friends,
X1,
if it is,
sir.
yeah, if it is parallel to the y-axis, x coordinates are same. Yes, x coordinates are same. Right now, PQ is parallel to y-axis means what? X coordinates of P and Q are same. P and Q are same. Yes, parallel. This is the difference part. In the y1, y2 inga irukku, y1 inga irukuma, please. Right? So, what is the distance now? X1 and x1 ds. Now, what is the distance ds? Y1 minus y2 modulus formula. That's all. The distance is y1 minus y2. If it is parallel to x-axis, this is called P and Q. Second question. So tell me, this is called x1, y1 and x2, y2. If it is parallel to x-axis, what is constant, ma? The height is constant. Yes, the height is constant. Now, who is same, ma? x1, y1, x2, y1, dear. So y coordinates are same, dear. Parallel to y-axis, x coordinates are same. Parallel to x-axis, y coordinates are same. உங்களுக்கு புரியுதாமா சொல்றது புரியுதா? Matesh able to get mark? Sudarshan? Sai?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ram? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Arpit? Right. So friends, tell me what is the PQ here? PQ distance formula x1 minus x2 whole square. square root plus y1 minus y1 is 0. That's why PQ equal to root of square x root cancel, therefore x1 minus x2 modulus, or y x2 minus x1 doesn't matter. This is called x1 minus x2. Distance means modulus. Am I clear, dears? Am I clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Pa?
No, sir.
Pakka, note down in the book, ma, note down in the book, and write down this concept, ma, please. PQ is parallel to y-axis. That means x coordinates of P and Q are same. Even if you write also, you should have that visualization and see this. This is the width and x coordinate. Width is same, yes. Width is same from the y-axis. Width is same means what? X coordinates are equal. That is the beauty, man. Here, height is same. That means what? Y coordinates are same, yes. Width, height is same, height is same. Height is same, y coordinates are same. Wow. This is the beautiful thing, yes. Okay. I think we are going very slow, very slow, just 3 sums. Anyway, we are getting the concepts, not brilliant concepts we are doing it. Lots of new things we are doing it. I think you try these questions first, solve and come, so that I can only do the doubts now, please, okay? Complete. I yesterday asked you, please do the 10.1. Anyway, you have your own school and then homework, exams, everything is going on, you're all justifying it. But if you have a say, yes, today morning I woke up at around 4 o'clock. Since 4 I am working, dear. Since 4 I am working. Some work I am doing it. By 10 o'clock I'll sleep and I woke up again. I'll wake up definitely at 4 o'clock. Sometimes 3, sometimes 4. But 3 to 4 definitely I'll wake up. Array, you require sleep of 6 hours is more than enough, dear. 6 hours is more than enough. Please, afternoon time. It's a work from home, right? You're all enjoying it. Who will stop it? Even while teaching also, while listening also, see, I am a torturer, okay, I'll torture. Hey, Kavipriya, tell me the answer. Google, tell me the answer. But generally, no teacher will definitely call each and every name, right? Particularly the Andhra teachers are come now, they don't know anybody's name, correct? They cannot call also.
Yes, sir.
Me, I know that I have that habit of calling names. So I won't make you sleep. But sometimes we can't say Jeevit. He will say that network is not working, but he will not. Jeevit is there, Jeevit is not there. Okay. Anyway, nice part. Thank you very much. So we'll stop it here. Exactly 7:30. Please work, please work. Effortlessly, continuously. You should keep working. Either it may be academics, if not academics, some other work. The weekly work, you should be busy like a bee, my dears. And use the mobile for only academic purpose. Not you can use for some other, but see that you should not get diverted. You should not lose your focus. Right? All the best, yes. Thank you very much. God bless you and see you tomorrow. All the best.
Thank you.
Keep working here. Keep working.
Thank
and
you.
Thank you, sir. Today we have an angle between the 2 lines and then we started working on exercise. Thank you very much. God bless you.